Hi guys, it's Claudia from Novato Gymnastics, and today I'm going to show you how to have a COVID-friendly dance party.
Before we get started, you will need scissors, short and long glow sticks, a black poster board, one pipe cleaner, clear packing tape, and a throwaway pair of glasses. You can find all these things at your local dollar store. Step 1. Grab your poster board and a marker, and you're going to draw a circle. I used a paper plate to draw my circle. This will be the outline for your head. When you're done with that, you're going to draw 2 smaller circles inside for your eyes. I used a paper cup to help draw the 2 smaller circles. And then I drew a triangle for where my nose will be. Step 2, grab your scissors and you're going to start cutting out your head. I left some extra space so that I could add hair later on. I also cut out the triangle. Step 3, I used my glasses to see where I was going to cut the 2 holes for my eyes. Next, cut out your 2 eye holes with your scissors. Now we are on to step 4. You should have a head cut out, 2 eye holes, and a nose hole. Now we're going to flip over our poster board and we're going to tie our glasses on using a pipe cleaner. I chose a dark pipe cleaner so that it would be less visible. Another option is to use a hot glue gun to secure your glasses onto your poster board. Step 5. Grab your scissors and cut off the excess pipe cleaner. Step 6. Flip your poster board over one more time and grab your glow sticks. Step 7. To make the eyes, I grabbed 2 bracelet glow sticks and made 2 circles. Step 8. Now grab your tape to tape your glow sticks onto your poster board. Step 9. To create a mouth, I grabbed another short glow stick and taped on whatever shape mouth I wanted directly onto the poster board. Step 10. Grab your long glow sticks. I used one glow stick to outline the face, and I used another one to make my hair. The part I love about this project is that you can be as creative as you want. Here is what mine looks like so far. Step 11. I'm using another long glow stick to create the hair. And ta-da! This is what mine looks like in the front and in the back. For step 12, I grabbed 3 short glow sticks. Crack and then connect all 3 glow sticks so that it makes one long glow stick. This will be your neck and your body.
Now we have the head, hair, face, and body. So we're gonna put our friend aside for now.
Step 13.
Next, put on some dark clothing. I have black leggings and I have a dark long sleeve shirt.
Step 14.
All right, so now I'm adding my arms and legs. All I'm using is tape and long glow sticks. And I'm just directly taping them onto my body. This is what it should look like when it's done. And now it's time to dance.